Want to play hide and go seek?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go find her.
I'm so high, Dad.
Ready? No, we're gonna go find Liz. Where's Liz? Where's TT? Where's T? Tia!
Yeah. No, you know.
No, not in there. Okay. Go over here. Let's look. Where is she?
No, not in there.
Oh no.
No, no, no. Not in here.
Not in here?
What?
Not in here?
No.
You sure? Okay.
TT here? No.
Oh, I don't think she's in there. You check the closet?
What?
You check the closet?
Where?
Right here. There's a closet. See? No. Okay. That wasn't the closet I was talking about, Corey, but alright. Let's see. Is she down here? Go see. Go see. I'm right here. I'm right behind you. Come on. Nothing's gonna get you. Is she down there? You see her?
No, he's not there.
No.
No.
What about in the laundry room?
No, here.
Yeah, right there. Where's T?
No,
No?
right here.
Let's go look again. Where else do you think she could be? What's Midget doing? Is she in there?